Chiefs! This week, Bobby Mutaung gets suspended from Kaizer Chiefs for partying with friends during lockdown. Really? I mean, because alcohol, girls, and music have that Herbalife effect. Every time you have one, you want to take a picture and a video and recruit more members. This happened after a video went on social media jogging. It was very fast. Usain Bolt. But, I mean, being suspended in a family business is a joke, right? It's like being told to go and sit in the corner and be quiet. Yeah. But wait. This is a lockdown party. Why are you taking a video? Stop it. Why are we letting you take a video? Stop it. Who's this stupid person we're allowing to take a video? Stop it, I like it. From Ndhlovu to SK Koza, surely we have seen what a video can do. Taking a video during a lockdown party is like recording yourself while committing a crime.
Baby, that's are you thinking about you? Alright, baby!
What did I just say? I mean, it's like speaking English with your tongue not ready.
When you get into a taxi, you sit down before you get in.
So far. Even though Bobby has never tested positive for COVID, Chief sent him home to self-quarantine. So wait, was he suspended or was he sent home? Now that we can all agree that alcohol is not the problem here, why would Bob's, Bobby, Bobzito, Uncle Bob, Uncle Bobby, what's so? Is it because Manali may be doing jack? Especially the barang kidi Chihuahua, so barang kidi Chibelan. I will be like your Makala or Uri. Also, part of his punishment, Bobby is not allowed to be in the company of the team anywhere, even at Orlando. Really? Why? Bobby. Sitting